Hey guys, Logan here. So, a friend of mine asked me to reanimate a lawnmower engine that had been underwater for about a week and then sitting for 100 days after that. Let's see how this works out. So this is what's coming out of the crankcase. Lovely, huh? Yeah, a whole lot of water and a little bit of oil. Not to mention that's brackish water. So we'll see what happens to the rest of it. Got it to spin by putting some oil in it and putting some WD-40 in the cylinder heads and just letting it sit overnight and then breaking it free. So hopefully we're still good there. Working on the fuel system now. As you can see, lots of water crap left over, but we have a working engine, unfortunately, and we have spark as well. Unfortunately, the stuff coming out of that pump right there is not fuel. It's fucking water. So, right, we've got to get everything out of the tank. And we've got spark. Sounds like we have compression. And once we get fuel, it should run. Not a bad job for, you know, a couple $1,000 lawnmower probably. There's corrosion from the salt water, brackish water getting in the motor. That's all from the intakes. It's just, yeah, it's all up in there. That's nasty. Oh, what was it? That sounds like what's her name. Carburetor's actually got this nifty little plastic set up in it for the bowl and float and everything. So as soon as I get all the rest of the fuel out of it, which looks like it might have drained out already, we should be able to put it back together, put some gas in it, and fire it. What do you think? Well, guys, moment of truth. Unfortunately, one of my charger terminals just broke, but you know that happens. So got the carburetor back on it, got the fuel pump hooked up, got good fuel in it. Primed it up to the pump anyway. Got a filter on it. Spark plugs in it. See what happens. Make sure it's choked there. Alright. Alright, so it wasn't a fuel leak. It's actually water coming out of the exhaust while I'm cranking it. Oh. She fired. Oh, there she goes. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on, girl. Don't film me now. So she sputtered a couple times, blew a bunch of crap all over the place, so I got to clean that up. But she sounds like she's going to run, man. Hey, look at that. So there you go. You can save an engine.